Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you how to create a new folder on iPhone. Watch this video until the end so you understand how. Pay attention to what I click on this iPhone screen. To create an application folder on the iPhone, press and hold on one of the applications on the iPhone. Then navigate to another application. It will automatically create a new application folder. You can also change the name of the folder. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.